Hello good people, welcome to the Rays of Sunshine with Liz. And guys, it is day 9. Whoa, day 9 strong. Guys, thank you so much for the support. Keep watching, keep liking, keep the support up, keep your morale ndo tunataka, you know. Thank you so much by the way. And guys, in today's video we are going to be grilling or baking chicken. Kuku ile ya kuzunguka. Is it grilling or baking? One of the two. And I am excited to be sharing with you this recipe, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it. And in case you're new in this channel, karibu sana. Here's where we have fun and spread the sunshine. And so guys, I have already cleaned the chicken and I put it on this thingy so that it drains off the water, because when we're putting it on the oven, we don't want it to be nini, isikuwa na hiyo maji maji. I've already shown you the ingredients. What I'm going to do next is mix the white onion and the red onion with a little of oil, ndio isiungue while it's baking inside. And then after that, I'm going to stuff them inside my chicken from the back side. Alafu after that, we are going to apply some oil on it together with Royco. But anyway, I'm going to show you as we do it. So yeah. So guys, I'm already preheating the oven at 225 degrees maximum time. Well, I'll adjust because I'm going to bake it at 1 hour, and then I'm heating the oven from both top and bottom. Well, as it preheats, I'm going to continue stuffing my chicken, and then yeah, when I'm ready, I'll just continue. So guys, we have already stuffed inside the chicken from both ends, from both the front and the back. So what you're going to do, just to seal and ensure that the stuff is not going to come out, I'm going to pinch meat from both sides like that, and then seal with a toothpick. Well, just do until it is like completely sealed. Yeah, like that. See, now it's sealed, and I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. So now the next thing that we're going to do, guys, is apply oil on the skin or on the outer part of the chicken, together with Royco. Well, you can use any ingredients that you want, but I don't want it to be very spicy, so that's why I'm only going with the Royco and the oil. So now, the reason why we stuff things inside and seal completely is to let all the juices bake inside, and then the aroma is like everything in this kind of ingredient, or in this kind of recipe, sorry. So that's why we stuff it completely. And you ensure that it is totally sealed, ndio as it rotates inside the whatever, it will not, the stuff won't start dropping off or spilling off. Yeah. Now that the oiling is ready, it's time for the Royco mchuzi mix. the Royco, I'm just going to smear and you know, like massage through the entire Kuku, the entire shikwekwe. So my chicken is ready, already smeared with Royco together with salt. I didn't say that. Now these wings cannot be cooked like this because when they're rotating, they'll keep touching the coil and then itaungua. So what we're going to do, we're going to funga it like this. Now I don't have a cooking string, but I've improvised this foil and made it a bit, you know, solid or a bit thick. So now what I'm going to do is just use it to hold the wings like that. All right. Okay, and after that I'm going to seal hapo katikati just like that. Now we are going to insert this thing, whatever you call it. Give me a name, you guys. This idea. The first thing that we do before we use this carrot is put this spear. So we put the spear at the beginning, and it's very sharp, so you be careful not to pierce yourself. And then now in the chicken, just find where it can penetrate and then push it inside until it tokezeas the other side. So guys, already the whatever the rod has come out from the other end. We found an exit, and as we do that, see, remember those sharp things, make sure they enter into the nyama so that it shikilias well, like in place. And as I do that, I'm making it very tight so that it doesn't keep shifting. After that, I'm going to now put this, again, the arrows facing the meat side from this other side. And guys, this thing is very, very sharp, so you need to be very extra careful as you do that. And also being very careful, ouch, over here. So guys, the chicken is already intact, like I eat a drop, whatever come may. Now what we're going to do is take it to the oven. Oven. So we don't take it like that to the oven. What we do is use this black thing. You've seen this black thing, yeah? This is now where it comes in. You screw it, I hope that's the correct word. You screw it to that handle like that, and now that is what you're going to take to the oven. Like this will be your handle, Lucy Chomeke. So every time you're going to check on your chicken, now as you bake, don't bake with this thing. You remove, this is just to put it inside, remove, and then as you check, you keep screwing. I hope that's understandable. So now let's get to the oven. Now our Kuku goes inside. Can you see that hole uko just uko ndani? Well, that hole, guys, is why you make sure you have hooked your rod inside until it is totally inside like that. Now you see how very well centered it is. That's why you have to push it at the center of the rod. Then you press this thing for rotation. If it doesn't rotate, it means that there is something wrong, so you keep pushing it until it totally gets inside, and that's it. Now the next thing that we're going to do, I'm cooking at 225 degrees as well, heating on both sides as well. Now what I'm going to readjust is the timer so that it's like at 1 hour. We will cook at 1 hour, and as soon as I hear the bell, that will be it. But we will keep checking on the chicken to see the progress. Okay guys, so now you'll notice that there is so much smoke from the juice that is falling on the foil. Now a trick that I've learned is to use water. So you just pour some water on the tray, and then that is it. That will like control the smoke that is coming from the burning juice. Yeah. So guys, that's what is happening with the chicken. The more by there, I didn't realize that I didn't put enough water, so make sure you put enough water. But then I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's outside. guys, that was it for today's video, and I hope that you have enjoyed this cooking session with me. And if you have enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and most importantly guys, don't forget to subscribe. And today's shout out goes to Mercy G Duncan. Thank you so much, Mercy. And guys, if you want to be shouted out, you know what to do. Cross your fingers and then cross your fingers and then comment. Comment and then cross your fingers that your comment gets selected for the next shout out. Until next time guys, happy holidays. Always remember to create your own sunshine and don't stop shining. Bye.